Hello everyone, my name is Cristian Negulescu. You know me for a lot of automation with UiPath. I did a lot of videos with UiPath and ChatGPT. The last videos it was with UiPath and ChatGPT with email. So basically, we automate documents that arrive to the email. And in the last video, I showed you this schema where I send an email from Outlook to Gmail. Then I have a Google script that will start the UiPath orchestrator call, start the process that call ChatGPT, notify our document, and then send the email back. I will do another schema today, which will be involving a lot of UiPath stuff, not external stuff. So we'll send them we'll send them an email from Outlook to Gmail. Then we'll have a trigger for Gmail inside of UiPath. Then UiPath will use ChatGPT, modify the word. Then after that, UiPath will upload the file, the PDF file to the G drive, and from G drive we'll share it with initial customer. Yeah. So we remove the scripts with the apps and so on. So we'll do everything on UiPath. To be able to do this, I will show you what you need to do. So you need to install the G Suite. So you have to go and write the G Suite, and you have the Google Workspace. You have to install this one. Then here you have to search for triggers, but be very, very careful. On activities, if you want to search for triggers, you need to have also this stuff with the triggers from filter. You have to have triggers update active. Yeah. So basically, you'll have a trigger for receiving email. Then we'll save the attachments. We'll do a copy of the file. Then we'll call all the stuff with ChatGPT, and then we'll upload the file, the new file, to Google Drive. We'll share the file in Google Drive with the initial person, and on the end we'll put all the modification on the email. Yeah, as we send the email to with modification. So let's send an email and prepare the system for this. The idea is like this. I will send the email before, and I will start the robot on my PC. Normally this robot is staying on the orchestrator and will do all the stuff on the orchestrator. So you don't need any triggers and so on. The robot just need to be work on orchestrator, but in my case I need to test YouTube. In my case I need to move some credentials there, and they are unsafe to move it from my PC and so on. It's a problem of credential, but the legal text, it's a issue with for me moving some credentials. Yeah, because normally this one it stay on the orchestrator, nothing to interact or to start manually. Yeah, but just for testing the code, I will start this manually. Yeah, because that's the main idea here, to test the code. So I send the email to Cristian Negulescu. You see that I received the email. And now I will start the code just for testing. Like I said, this is a trigger that stay on the orchestrator, and will work automatically. Yeah, it will work automatically from done. He received the email. He will go and modify the text. The system will will go and identify the what's wrong with this text. We have some limitation with we need at least we need the maximum is 3 months for support, and here the system removes some data. So the UiPath robot was able to UiPath robot was able to modify the text using ChatGPT, and now we need to see the results. So first result will be we receive an email that it's let me open the orchestra. You see, you receive the first email, and on the first email we have a share from UiPath tutorials with Sinegulescu, where we'll see the file. Yeah, so this is the PDF file that the robot modified, and here we have all the modification with correct stuff. So we put the period with 3 months, and we remove the extra clauses from support. Yeah. And now we receive also an email from the robot, and in this email you will see that here we have all the details that the robot did on the system. So this is the initial text for the install initial paragraph, and the modification is to remove all the text with this one. So we'll put this text. Yeah, this is the support initial paragraph, and the modification is to remove just this paragraph, so just this sentence. Yeah, so these are the modifications. So we know very well also the modification that was did by the robot, and we have also the full document. Let me continue here with my account. So like I said, this is staying directly on the orchestrator. We don't have it. I just put it for test, and I will show you where is this triggers. Okay, on my tenant, you have on the processes, and we have here you should have triggers, event triggers on the but look, this one basically it's an event trigger. So when you publish to the orchestrator will have all these triggers already put there. Like I said, I don't publish it because I have some problem of moving the credential and so on. In this application, in this implication, in this process, I use also integration service. Yeah, so I use integration service, and with the stuff that I put on side of the integration service, I have the connection with Gmail and G Drive. Yeah, good. So let's come back again and see. Sending emails, triggering UiPath triggers. UiPath process is triggered by receiving an email on Gmail. You can do also the stuff with Outlook, calling ChatGPT, creating custom modifying Word, convert it to PDF, put it on G Drive, and send it back to the initial customer. Okay, so as usual, if you like my movies, please come and subscribe to my channel, and tell me what else you want to see on my movies. Yeah, so subscribe to my YouTube channel, comment to my movies, and tell me what else you want to see inside of my movies. Thank you very much for watching. Stay safe, have a good one. Bye bye.